WebTalk wants to help everyone connect to more opportunities and become more successful. That's why WebTalk pays out up to 50% of all revenue through an immensely lucrative referral program called Social CPX. WebTalk's largest online networking and e-commerce competitors generate tens of billions of dollars every year from advertising, premium upgrades, and transaction fees. Facebook and LinkedIn on average generate $3 per month from every user. Amazon generates about $70 per user per month from product sales. As the first social e-commerce community, WebTalk projects reaching an average of $10 or more per month from every user. WebTalk generates revenue from advertising sales, premium feature upgrades, talent solutions, and transaction fees, just like the others. But the difference is, we share it with you. WebTalk's premium subscription upgrades include premium call-in and live chat support, iMeet virtual meeting service, and WebTalk Pro exclusive feature subscriptions, all starting for as little as $15 per month. The WebTalk Pro subscription includes the ability to message non-connections, see the people who viewed your profile, locate people available for hire, search by gender and age range, and even extra storage space for private files. Businesses can use WebTalk to run promotional advertising campaigns on a commission basis, purchase ad space, or use WebTalk's premium talent recruiting services to help grow your organizations. When you enroll in the free affiliate program, you'll earn a 10% commission on all revenue generated by the users and businesses you refer to WebTalk for life. Your long-term earning potential per user referral is estimated at $1 per month. We all know that $1 is not life-changing, so WebTalk decided to do the unimaginable and award everyone credit for starting a chain reaction of referrals. With WebTalk, you earn credit for your direct referrals, but also their referrals, and so on through 5 degrees of separation. Let's say the average monthly commission per referral reaches $1, and you and all of your referrals have referred 10 users each, and that continues through 5 degrees or levels of separation. You could earn $10 per month from your first level, $100 from your second, $1,000 from your third, $10,000 from your fourth, and $100,000 per month from your fifth level. With WebTalk's affiliate program, a simple "Follow me on WebTalk" post on Facebook or Twitter could be potentially life-changing. The best part about the affiliate program is you don't have to change any of your daily routines. Every social network gives you a profile or page link for you to share and build your network. WebTalk does the same, only better. When your profile link drives new users to WebTalk, our patent-pending affiliate program gives you credit for the referral. Import your email or phone address books to invite your contacts to connect with you on WebTalk, and you'll get credit for everyone that joins. Share your photos, videos, and files with non-members, and you earn credit for the referral when they sign up to view them. If you own a website or blog, WebTalk provides you with social buttons and banner ads to display to your site visitors. And if these tools drive new users, you're awarded credit for those referrals as well. It's that simple. Social CPX is WebTalk's standalone referral program app that provides you with a mobile-first dashboard that tracks all of your referrals awarded from any of your social activities. You can view how many invitations you sent, how many people joined WebTalk thanks to you, the amount of revenue they've generated, and your commissions. WebTalk and the affiliate referral program are free and always will be. The people and businesses who join WebTalk early and help grow the community will have the largest income opportunity. Today, there are 2 billion social network users worldwide, with that number projected to double in the next 5 years. The more people you invite to WebTalk now, the better your chances are for life-changing success. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Join now and invite everyone you know before they invite you. WebTalk, the best way to communicate and create success.